Good morning, boys and girls. Happy Friday. So today we're going to go over your task list for today. Alright, so it's only in gray, but it'll be in blue for you by the time you see this video. So your task list for today. Alright, still working on Tom's Secret. Okay, today we're going to be looking at how illustrations kind of help you better understand the mood and what's going on in the story. You're also going to look at what does the picture illustration add to the details in the story. Alright, tells you more in the video that you're going to watch here shortly. Alright, and that's a Google Classroom assignment. We'll go over that in a second. Next one is introducing open syllable patterns. You did closed syllable last week, and now this one is open syllable. You will be working in your grammar packet, 78, pages 78 and 79. So you'll have time to work on that during your small groups. You have a reading lesson as part of your Google Classroom assignment and the grammar. All right. And then number 3 is continuing to work on those realistic fictions. I did get some of yours. You shared them with me already, and that's fine. But remember, we're still drafting. So make sure you make revisions as normal. If you need to add some more character voices to make sure you're really selling the personality, adding those exclamation points, and everything you need to make sure your realistic fictions are good to go. So you're going to continue to type them up. During writing time, we talk about adding past perfect tense into your realistic fiction. And I just said, be careful of your verb tenses. There's also a verb tense on your grammar packet too. So if you at least work on your open syllables today, if you have time, you can finish up the whole grammar packet. Don't worry about turning your grammar packet in yet. I will be there Monday, so you can turn it in to me then. And then in math, we're moving on to 3.5. Okay, and I put in there parentheses to draw the picture. So this is adding decimals using pictures of like your base 10 blocks. So the video is going to go over kind of how your base 10 blocks change a little bit when it comes to decimals. All right, and then remember your social studies, your closed reading questions are due today that you started on yesterday. And you can, if you're done with them, then you can work on anything or look at anything else in your Scholastic, or you can get on Discovery Education once your closed reading questions are done. Okay, so those are your 2 options that you can do today if you finish early. All right, so we go to back to the assignment. So here's your assignment. Lesson 8 illustrations. Here is where you're going to write 1 or 2 paragraphs about the scene that you did not analyze with your group. So you're about to learn about that. So we talk about 2 pictures. You got to pick a different 2 pictures or illustrations to talk about for your assignment. All right, and then you're going to explain how the details of the illustration reinforces the mood and helps shed light on some of the characters, and what does it add to the text. And you can just put your answer right here in that box, and then you just click turn it. All right, boys and girls, you have a great Friday and you have a great weekend, and I will see you guys on Monday. Have a good one.